ono konyora abange mbobwaje transparency and accountability. Munda ajukurangirwa abe questions korore nonye some of the governors bakurangirwa senate banka kugendo yabidi arrest warrant chaba issued. So baraya bachorire maybe bali barabasaye bali ku encourage other youths so that nabaro boboli cause nkunyore serikali ya former president Uhuru Kenyatta appointed abantu maybe babwate emyaka emenge kidogo andeke gukana bateba nga abasaye bagutumika bube chibese che serikali. So bali kwana na babwate encouragement uchese bali bagochaka boni
nakibona murachikwana kibuno kwegene kwega gwachire mpaka saba na inchuro jonyo muraye agatene abasai mugutumika chibesa bube nakimura nakibuna abana inchi aba begenire aso guchikubarendere enibo ya
igente gatangani toju kokorege tuwe toko ba accountable kira twarangerigu twatwara public participation dwara abantu wetunga chibese chitwa bwate financial yeye echatumikire ganega so that we create a public awareness that abantu batware trust na umurayo twate mandate yo kore gasi oikiraniri amaganyari adotebeti usari toganiti